today's product is Crippling Hot Sauce. And we have the founder of Crippling Hot Sauce, Drew Davis, here with us today.
Crippling Hot Sauce has sold 75,000 bottles and have donated thousands of dollars to cerebral palsy research as a part of our mission to show that no matter your situation, anything's possible.
I'm gonna start with just for the parking, mild. It's got a little bit of heat, but not too much heat. All right, we're moving on to limping, medium. And you said this one's has a salsa verde, right?
Salsa verde, great on Mexican food, chicken, tacos, stuff like that.
I could see this on Mexican food. All right, here we go. Crippling agony. Oh, that's a lot. You know what I like about it? It's a delayed heat. It is kind of sweet, but not too sweet. You've got to try these, all three flavors. They are made right here in Missouri. Thank you so much, Drew, for joining me on I'll Try It For You. And as always, thank you for shopping at Schnucks.